Welcome to the Northern Circuit, a land of majestic waters, untouched landscapes, and pure natural wonder. Our journey begins at Lumangwe Falls, a grand curtain of water, often compared to a mini Victoria Falls, where mist, power, and beauty come together in one incredible view. Just a short distance away, Kawaloon Falls awaits, the thunderous twin to Lumangwe, dropping in a breathtaking semicircle that leaves every visitor mesmerized. Next, we explore Ntumbachushi Falls, a serene and sacred cascade surrounded by crystal pools and lush green forests, perfect for relaxation, pictures, and peace. Our adventure continues to Chishimba Falls, a spiritual and cultural treasure, where flowing waters create a mighty soundtrack for every step you take. Nearby, the beautiful Mutumuna Falls flows gracefully down smooth rocks, offering a quiet escape into nature's calm. And finally, the legendary Kalambo Falls, one of Africa's tallest, most powerful waterfalls, dropping straight into the stunning Rift Valley. This is more than sightseeing. It's a journey through Zambia's greatest natural wonders. Book your Northern Waterfalls adventure today with Maxmas Travel and Tours, and experience the power, beauty, and magic of Zambia like never before.